In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data Google Drive to Proton Drive. We'll move your files safely and cleanly from one cloud to the other using a simple download and upload workflow. I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few tips to avoid hiccups along the way. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in. Locate the files or folders you want to move. You can select a single item or hold Shift or Control to select multiple. If you're moving a large folder, take a quick look at its size so you know roughly how long the download and upload might take, and make sure you have enough space on your computer for the temporary copy. With your items selected, click the download icon near the top of the page. For multiple files or entire folders, Google Drive will bundle them into a zip before downloading. Keep the tab open while it prepares and downloads. When it finishes, you'll find the file or files in your browser's default downloads folder. If you received a zip, you can either keep it as a single archive or extract it to restore the original folder structure before uploading. Next, open Proton Drive in a new tab and sign in. Navigate to the folder where you want the files to live, or create a new folder if you prefer. From here, you have two easy options. You can drag the downloaded files or folders directly from your computer into the Proton Drive window and drop them onto the destination. Or, click the Upload button in Proton Drive and choose File or Folder to pick items from your computer. If you kept a zip from Google Drive, you can upload that archive as is. If you need the original structure visible in Proton Drive, extract it first, then upload the resulting folder. Watch the upload progress and keep the tab open until everything completes. When the uploads finish, open a few files in Proton Drive to confirm they look right. That's it. Download from Google Drive, then drag into Proton Drive or upload using the built-in button.